My video is about removing Parkeu.click pop-up windows that display pretty frustrating messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The message that is delivered by Parkeu.click website says that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It looks as if these pop-ups try to help you at the first glance, but in reality they try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. There is no connection between these Parkeu.click pop-ups and any decent software. They claim to be related to some well-known programs, but when you start interacting with these pop-ups, you may be brought to a lot of other deceptive websites, and you will notice that they actually promote some other totally different software. These pop-ups by Parkeu.click may be the trace of some adware to be enabled on your system. First of all, we recommend you to check the control panel of your computer. Uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them here on the list. So, if you find any applications that are not familiar to you, you should get rid of them. Very often it happens that visually the system is free of threats, however there may be a lot of such unwanted pop-ups attacking your screen from time to time. To make sure that there are no any other hidden threats, I recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this special green download button, install the software, and then begin researching your system to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.